We started this network because we were seeking friends who are like-minded. But we also, of course, need inspiration and knowledge and learnings from each other. So we can be much stronger together and also move faster if we collaborate. I think it is an obligation that we have as an organization, just like governments and individuals in society, to secure human rights and to respect each other. For a company like IKEA, our main purpose is to support the many people with thin wallets to improve their lives at home. We will much better meet everyone's needs if we reflect the total society. The other aspect is on the job market, of course, to basically fish in the bigger pond and to look amongst all people for the best talents that could work for IKEA. We've had a very strong gender focus for the last couple of decades with a clear goal of 50-50 balance between men and women in leading positions. But of course we have also worked with other dimensions of diversity. The big focus now is on ethnicity and cultural background, because we think that it's very important to reflect the society